Nanababaw kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Dibawa by R for sending us their products and for us to try on. So up front, we would like to tell you guys that this is a partnership video, so more than a review, it's a promotion of their product. So let's start introducing the food that they sent us today. If you know this, guys, yung mga product po ni Dibawa, actually, according to Google, it's pronounced as Dibawa. So medyo may pagka-social yung pronunciation niya. Actually reflects to their products because ganda ng mga presentations ng mga cookies nila. And actually lahat ng mga products, even this donut and yung mga brownies. Anyway, so let's start introducing original chocolate chip cookie monster. So here is an example of that product. Ito siya, ayan. Okay, so later on I'm gonna taste test them. Next is yung kanilang chocolate chip cookie monster with walnuts. So they added walnuts in. Okay. Another one for the classic is yung kanilang double dark chocolate cookie monster. It is actually dark because double the chocolate, kaya naging ganun yung color niya. Now for the premiums, we have the Brekky cookie monster. And then the next one is yung Matcha cookie monster. This one, there you go. And then I think this is their cookies and cream. Now let's talk about the sizes. I think these are large, not really that palm size na cookies, no, pero the size are large. And if you talk about weight, no, they are really heavy. I also saw some these, parang I think it has the same flavor. Ang pagkakaiba lang niya is yung size. Now, before we proceed, I wanna taste first yung kanilang double dark choco. Oof, oh man. I gotta tell you guys, all throughout the cookie, from yung outer layer, yung inner cookie, it's all throughout dark. Oh wow. It's not too sweet. For me, it's a little bit bitter. Of course, considering it is a double dark chocolate. Next, I wanna try yung kanilang original chocolate chip cookie monster. This one's the classic. No, this is the original cookie monster. I really like the chocolate. I really like yung sweetness niya. For me, it's a little bit crusty. Okay. Anyway, so let's move on. I wanna try this one. Oh, so this one's soft. Okay, let's taste it. Wow, so these are Oreo cheesecake cookies, which is new sa menu nila. If you've been following me, I'm not really a matcha person, but I tried yung kanilang matcha. This is their matcha cookie monster, which is a limited time offer only. Ito pala yung favorite ni Miss Iya Villanias, the wife of my favorite vlogger na si Drew Arellano. Okay, next I wanna proceed yung kanilang Mud Fudgy Dark Choco Brownies. They have two variations. The first one is the original, or yung, it is parang bear brownies. And then the next variation naman is, it has nuts. So if you like nuts, this can be included. If you don't, this is the one that you should go for. Wow. Mad Fudgy. Oh wow. I gotta say this one, no? So I've tasted a lot of cookies in the past, and some of them are, kumbaga, tends to overpower yung sweetness nila. Now, I realized do sa mga cookies na natikman ko na dito, the sweetness is not overpower. And then lastly, I wanna taste yung kanilang milky cheesy donuts. So inside your donut, meron pa rin siyang filling. I think it's cheese, no? Meron pa siyang cheese sa loob. Oh yeah, it is. I usually tend away to yung mga sweets na medyo milky, but this one, I'm starting to enjoy it actually. Alright, so let me tell you more about Devawa. The delivery details are every Saturdays. They do have meet-up sa Pampanga and Manila. So nakakarating na rin po sila ng Manila. Except if you order a bulk. So 2 days prior to the date that you need, make sure to message them if you want to order bulk for your, I don't know, probably events or giveaways, mga ganyan. So these are actually great for mga ganun din, diba? Else, if you want to check out their fan page, we're gonna be flashing on your screens. So there you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching Where in Pampanga. I'm gonna share this downstairs. I'm gonna prepare myself a hot coffee plus this. And guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure that you stay safe and stay at home. Until next time, I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.